Hi, this is Max Riddle. In this video, I will be demonstrating my Assignment 5 pet shelter. To get started, I will be cloning the repository onto my laptop. Empty repository, git clone. And there is our project. And I will do a Gradle build. That might take some time, so in the meantime, I will describe my two design patterns, how they work together. So my first design pattern is Animal Factory, the factory design pattern. This design pattern is being used in order to create our animals. Right now we only have cats and dogs, but in the future, if we wanted to extend this pet shelter for say, birds or even a fish or any other type of pet, then we can use then we can add on to the pet shelter easily by adding a new method or a new implementation of this Animal Factory interface. And then I have the state design pattern as my next design pattern, and this is used to provide care to the animals depending on what state of the adoption process they are in. So the way that these two integrate together can be seen here in my main method. The factories are used in order to create the animals, and the state design pattern is then used to provide care to these animals after the factory has created them, and provide different types of care depending on what state in the adoption process they are in. So for example here, this available state, which means that the animal is available for adoption, gets basic care such as feeding, cleaning, or exercise, and the adopted state, of course, rejects care because the animal is adopted and cannot be taken care of, and the intake state processes the animal and gets it ready for that available state that it will next be in. So that is how my two design patterns work together, and that should have been enough time for this Gradle build to run. And it has worked. I believe I am actually on the wrong method or wrong branch. We want to be on deliverable B. So now I will do a Gradle run, and that should give us 7 days worth of simulation. Yep. So here we have our simulation being started and logging of each day demonstrating which design patterns are being utilized at which point during the simulation. And that is my full demonstration. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.